How to fix Snapchat support code error SSO6. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to check if you are using the latest version of Snapchat or not. For that, open your Play Store or App Store. Here we go. Now search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, you will see the option of update or open over here. If you see the option of update, just tap on it and update your Snapchat to its latest version. After completion of update process, you can just try to log into your Snapchat account. This may fix your problem. Likewise, another option is head towards your settings app. Scroll down and head towards the option Snapchat. Open it. Over here, you'll find this option of background app refresh. Make sure you have toggle on for this option. After you do that, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, another solution is head towards the main page of settings. Scroll down and head towards the option General. Open it. Now over here you will find this option of iPhone storage. Open it. Scroll down and go to the option Snapchat. Open it. Over here you will find this option of Upload app. Tap on it. Tap on Upload app. After you upload the app, you can just tap on Reinstall app. After you complete this process, you can try to log into your Snapchat. If all of these solutions doesn't work for you, then what you can do is wait for about 10 to 15 minutes and then you can try to log in. By applying all of these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be solved. So this is how you can fix Snapchat support code error SSO6. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.